Welcome back. Let's look at examples that involve loans with delayed payments or deferred payments or missed payments. Right. After bank offers Cindy a personal loan of 150,000 rands, the bank charges an interest of 7% per annum compounded monthly. Cindy is allowed to start repayments of this loan 6 months after taking out the loan, but she has to make 60 monthly payments thereafter. So the number of payments is 60. If Cindy decides to start payment 6 months after taking the loan, calculate the outstanding balance 5 months after the loan is taken out. Right. For this one, I'll try to draw a timeline. Let me sketch a timeline. This is the timeline. What we have here, the loan is taken here. So let's say loan received. And then she will not pay for the next 6 months. So when will she start paying? She'll start paying 6 months after taking out the loan. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. She'll start paying here. And then for the rest of the loan period there, up to the 60th payment. So this is the 60th payment. Okay, let's say just 60th pay. And then here, this is the first pay. Remember we said that the p-value is 1 period before the first payment. So it means we must get our p-value here. We must get our p-value here at t5. So from this period when the loan was received up to p, what will be happening here? This loan is gaining interest. We're going to use a is equal to p1 plus I to the power n. Okay, that's the first part. It says calculate the outstanding balance 5 months after the loan is taken out. So this is what we're going to be doing here. This is 5 months after the loan is taken out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then becomes the new loan amount for the next 60 months, because we're told here that she has to make 60 monthly payments. Right, so let's do A. So A is equal to P1 plus I to the power n, right? So our interest rate is 7% per annum compounded monthly. So we have to say 0.07 divided by 12 there for interest rate. So it's A is equal to 150,000 and then 1 plus 0.07 divided by 12. And then what is our n then? It's monthly for how many months? 5 months. So our n is 5. Okay, it's already in months. So our n is 5 then. Let me just put this in the calculator. You get A is equal to 154,426 rand 3403. We round off to 2 decimal places because of this 0. The 4 will not change there. So it becomes A is equal to 154,000. These are rands. 426 rand and 34 cents. That is A there. This is the outstanding balance 5 months after the loan is taken out. Then says determine the monthly repayments required to pay off the loan. So now we're going to be using the new outstanding balance, and then we're going to use our formula. P is equal to X 1 minus 1 plus I to the power negative n. That's present value annuity formula. And then let's substitute our new present value here, 154,426 rand 34, and then is equal to, we're looking for x, so it's 1 minus, then 1 plus 0.07 divided by 12, and then the monthly payments are 60, so we use 60 there, and then all this over 0.07 over 12. Then what we can do, just put this in the calculator. Just put this thing in the calculator. What will it give you? We have 154,426 rand 34 cents here, and then x, and then in the brackets you're going to get, if you put this whole thing in the calculator, you're going to get 50,5019935. Then divide by 50,5019935 on both sides of the equation. You'll get that x is equal to 3,057,826618. Let's round off to 2 decimal places. Because of the 6, the 2 becomes a 3. So it means x is equal to 3,057 rand and 83 cents. These are the monthly payments required